This question, or this pair of questions, kind of bother me a little bit because we do need to memorize a formula here, and there's a lot of that on the SAT, but I don't really consider this a math formula. Maybe it's just obvious, and that's why they were okay not giving it to you, but we need to know the speed in miles per hour. So in order to do this, we need to know the formula for speed, and it's distance over time. And I guess it's obvious in a way because no matter where you live in the world, at some point you are encountering speeds, right? If you're in a car, you encounter a speed, miles per hour, kilometers per hour, right? Like miles and kilometers are units of distance, per means divide, and then hour is time. So speed, miles per hour, is distance per time. So it's built in to the language of how we talk about speed. So in a way, this is not really even a formula, it's more like a definition. But obviously, if we have it as a formula, it becomes easier to plug into because we do have some stuff that we are given here. One morning, Miss Simon drove directly from her home to her workplace in 24 minutes. What was her average speed in miles per hour during her drive that morning? So we've got to be careful, right? Miles per hour, but 24 minutes. So we should convert, right? So lots of ways to do this. We could use a ratio if we wanted. 24 minutes is equal to X hours. And we know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. So it's just a matter of kind of cross multiplying. And so we can get, I'll just make some space here, 60x is equal to 24. And x is going to be, divide 24 by 60. And that's 0.4 hours. Okay, so that's my time. So let's come back here. Speed equals 0.4 hours. And now we need to know the miles, the total miles. And it's just kind of sum up this column. So 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4. 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4 is 17.4 miles. So 17.4 miles. And just do the division. Divided by 0.4, we get that the speed is 43.5 miles. I'm not exactly sure why the SAT accepts other answers here. 43.5 miles is the answer. I don't really get why they accept 43 or 44. They're both acceptable. They're in the answer key, unless I have some sort of typo answer key, but they're there. Maybe because they're letting you round. I don't know. Something weird. I've never been able to figure it out. So if you have an idea about why those are allowed, feel free to put them in the comments. But to me, the answer is 43.5. Like, we can calculate that exactly. That seems, I don't know, like the only possible answer to me. But the key takeaway from this question, regardless, don't worry about that so much, is speed is distance over time. We're going to need this formula. Occasionally they give it to you, but not always. So file it away, memorize it, and hopefully it's already memorized because, like I said, the language of speed kind of already gives us the formula. Miles per hour, feet per second, right? Meters per second, right? Distance per time.